Welcome to the Tool Hut channel. Today I'm going to go over a kit that I put together in my Amazon store. If you don't own a scope, I'm going to make some recommendations. This is a really good getting started scope. This is not a really good scope for a professional, but it's a very powerful scope for somebody that's learning how to use a scope. I believe you're going to run into obstacles with it a couple of years down the road if you use your scope. You're going to start to see things that you really wish it would do. But this will get you going, not spending a lot of money, and just get the scope out of the box. Let's start using it. So, anyway, stand by.
While you got a second, why don't you go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell if you want to be notified when stuff comes out. I welcome any questions or comments you may have down below. Okay, first things first. Any of the equipment that you see used in my videos is available on the website. If it's not there, send me an inquiry off the website, toolhutusa.com. That's TOOLHUT USA.com. My name is Sam. All right, so in keeping with the scope theme, getting the scope out of the box, I thought it would be a good idea to build in my Amazon store a kit to get started using a scope if you don't have one. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to start with the Handtech 1008 Charlie. Again, this is for people that don't own a scope. I'm not recommending this scope as one that you need to purchase, but if you don't have a scope right now, this is a very inexpensive, a very powerful scope. So we're going to start with the Handtech 1008C, which is an 8-channel, by the way, scope. I'm not going to go over all the specs with you. The next thing is the leads that come with this thing are absolute garbage. So we're going to order a set of leads for it. They're $13.65 a piece. It does take 8, so keep that in mind. I'm going to recommend some probes, some high quality probes, meter leads, whatever you want to call them, alligator clips. This is just a kind of a getting started set. And then I'm going to recommend a high quality set of piercing probes. So this is for people that don't own a scope. This is some essentials to get the scope out of the box. Let's get using it and not spend a frickin' fortune. How about that? The link will be below for my Amazon store, and it's in one kit. Okay, so we've got the Handtech, the scope leads, the meter leads or probes, some piercing probes. The other thing I would recommend is an OBD breakout box. Now, I've got the power probe on here, which is a really good tool. I'm going to tell you right now, there's one thing I don't like about it. So, see where the pins go in? You cannot put your meter leads, your scope leads in the ports. This is a really good breakout box for OBD2 ports, except for that. So, I am recommending this one here. It's $86, but notice that you can put the scope leads right in the ports. So we'll go through this more. I do think this is essential to get one. It does work as kind of like an extension cord as well. So if you've got a OBD2 connector that's worn out, your scan tool won't connect to it real good, or it's kind of in an odd position or something, this will help with that too. So just some recommendations. Let me know what you think. Okay, by the way, I put it all in my cart. There's the Handtech 1008 8-channel, set of leads, 8 of them, back probe kit with alligators, the Pomono piercing clips, and the breakout box $416.19. I don't think you're going to get a more powerful scope and a set of leads to get started any cheaper than that anywhere.
Watching. Hope that was helpful. Hope we can get some people using some scopes. Let's get the scopes out of the boxes. And when you get it from Amazon, if you buy one on Amazon, take it out of the box and use it. I'm probably going to put a cart in my store there too once I see a cart in there I like. Otherwise, I'll put a link down below for a one from a local hardware store. Have a great day.